Hi KB and welcome to chapter 12, the last chapter in our book. You guys might remember helping me and Mrs. C take these chapters out of your book before we left school. That was back when we thought we were only going to be out for a little while. So moms and dads have this chapter. So go ahead and open to your packet page 489. And we are going to start chapter 12. We are going to continue practicing classifying and sorting objects, classifying and sorting shapes. And first here we see a girl, and it looks like she is sorting some objects by color. Curious George here says that primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. How many primary colors is this girl sorting? So primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. How many primary colors do we see here? Is orange a primary color? Nope. Is yellow a primary color? Yes, it is. Is red a primary color? Yes, it is. Is green a primary color? Nope. So how many primary colors is this girl sorting? 2. Very good. It's going to be helpful to remember that blue, red, and yellow are our primary colors. Let's turn the page to 490. All right, show what you know. In box number 1 with the fruit, circle the fruits that are red. Easy peasy. Circle the fruits that are red. Box number 2, circle the triangles. Circle the triangles. Number 3, we have 2 sets, butterflies and snails. For number 3, count and write how many in each set. Count your butterflies, put your number. Count your snails. Remember, you can cross them off as you go, and write your number. For number 4, we have bees and dragonflies. Count and write how many in each set. Count your bees. Count your dragonflies. Circle the set with fewer objects. Circle the set with fewer objects. Nice work, KB. Let's move to page 491. And this is a review of different and alike. Put your finger on different, and let's say different 3 times. Different, different, different. Put your finger on alike. Let's say alike 3 times. Alike, alike, alike. Take a look at these butterflies at the top. Tell somebody in your family, how are these butterflies different? What is different about each butterfly? Now take a look at the ladybugs. Tell somebody in your family how the ladybugs are alike. What is the same about the ladybugs? How are they alike? Now, if you look closer, some of the ladybugs are different. Circle those ladybugs and tell why they are different. Look at what some of the ladybugs are holding. You can also look at the spots on the ladybugs. Circle the ladybugs that are different and explain why they are different. Excellent. Different and alike. Let's turn now to page 492, and here we have a fun I Spy game. It's called At the Farm. So play with somebody in your family. I love I Spy. I always used to play I Spy with my sister when we would go on long road trips. So let's play I Spy. Choose someone in your family who will play with you. And I'm going to give you an example because there's many colors here and there's many objects here. I'm going to say, I spy something round and red. What is it? If you said apples, you are correct, and it could have been the apples in the bucket or the apples in the tree. Okay, now I'm going to make it a little bit harder, and this will be the last example I'll give you. I spy a small animal that is not a primary color. I spy a small animal that is not a primary color. Not blue, not yellow, not red. Anybody see it? A sleeping orange cat. If you said the orange cat, well, first of all, you know me. And second of all, you are correct. Good job, guys. So play that with somebody in your house. There's so many things you can spy here in this picture. Now let's go into chapter 12.1, and we are on page 493. We see a chart and we see two clouds. I would like you to choose a primary color and color the clouds that color. So you can choose red, blue, or green. I'm going to choose green just to be different. So choose a primary color and color both of your clouds with that color. After you color both clouds with your primary color, red, blue, or green, I want you to make shapes. In the first column, make your shapes match the color of your cloud. So if my cloud is green, I might make a green triangle, a green circle, a green square, and you can make as many shapes as you can fit, but make sure they match the color of your cloud. Then let's come over to the other side of your chart. I want you to make shapes again, but they are not green. So now I'm going to use my other colors. Now I'm going to make a blue rectangle. Maybe I'll choose red. Maybe I will make a red circle. Maybe I will go back to blue. Maybe I'll make a blue triangle. Maybe I'll choose a color that's not a primary color. Maybe I'll use purple. And I'll make a purple square. Okay, so make a bunch of shapes on this side, but not the color of the cloud. All right, boys and girls, let's keep going. Let's turn to page 494. Here we go. We have a bunch of shapes at the top, and we are going to sort them into these boxes: red, blue, yellow, and green. Place shapes as shown. Sort and classify the shapes by color. So take a look at your shapes up here. Our first box is red. What shapes up here are red? Use your red crayon and draw them in the box. So we see a red rectangle. We see a red triangle. And another red rectangle. Do the exact same thing with a blue crayon, a yellow crayon, and a green crayon. And move your shapes from the top into the boxes, sorting by color. So put your blue shapes in the blue box, Yellow shapes in the yellow box, green shapes in the green box. Sorting by color. Now let's come to page 495, and this is a page that we've never quite seen before. For this entire page, you need to use the shapes that are over here. So you're going to use the shapes from problem number 1. And it is asking us, if we start here with number 2, circle the categories that have one shape. So come over here, you have 4 categories. Which category has one shape? So if I went and did this with you, how many yellow shapes do you see up here? How many yellow shapes? 1. It's hard to see because it's yellow, but I have a yellow square. How many shapes at the top do you see that are green? How many shapes up here are green? 1. We have a triangle. So now you have this entire chart filled out. I did these 2 with you so that we could do problem number 2 together. How many categories have just one shape? Does your red have only one shape? Nope. How about your yellow and your green? One shape, one shape. So we're going to circle yellow and green. You can circle with the colors, or you can use your pencil if you'd like. Circle yellow and green because these categories only have one shape. How many categories only have one shape? How many categories? 1, 2. So put the number 2 on your line. Make sure you use pencil. Put the number 2 on your line because 2 categories have one shape. And that's how we're going to do this page. So come to problem number 3. Circle the category that has 2 shapes. So come back over here. Which category has 2 shapes? Circle the color category and write how many categories only have 2 shapes. And let's come down to problem number 4. Circle the category that has 3 shapes. Write the number. How many categories here have 3 shapes? So if I want to check blue, how many blue shapes do you see? 1, 2. Let's just put that in here. How many categories have 3 shapes? Only the red category. So over here, we're going to circle the category that has 3 shapes, the red. How many categories only have 3 shapes? 1. 1 category, so put 1 on the line right here. Well done, KB. One more page for today. Take a look at problem number 1. How are these shapes sorted and classified? How are they sorted? Draw one more shape in each category. So if you're going to draw a shape over here, can it be blue? No, these are all red. So draw one more shape here, but make it this color. Draw one more shape on this side, any shape. But can it be red? No. It can be blue, yellow, or green. So make one more shape, use one of these colors. Sorting by color. Come down to the final box, number 2, and draw to show what you know about sorting by color. So choose any color you like, boys and girls. It does not have to be a primary color. Choose any color you like and make a couple of shapes with that color on the first side. Then come to the other side, make some more shapes, but use different colors. One color, different colors. KB, you guys are rock stars. That was hard work, and I'm really, really proud of you. Keep it up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.